wanna be like Ayo gently.
Hi everyone, it's your girl Ayotunde Falelu, Omo Baba Shekere Jesu. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this platform, please make sure that you subscribe if you haven't done so before, like, and make sure you comment on every video we post on Mondays in order to participate in our 5,000 Naira giveaway we do every week. Also, on Saturdays, 9 p.m. Nigeria time and 1 p.m. Pacific time, we do a Facebook Live program where we rub minds together and educate ourselves and choose the winner for the giveaway. Thanks. As usual, we were sent a video of a lady who is in need of help in Nigeria about a few weeks ago. Let's watch the video.
Orúkọ mi ni Olúwabùkọ́lá Afáriogun.
Olúwabùkọ́lá
Afáriogun. Ìdojúkọ tí mo ń là kọjá nípa ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ojú mi, òun ló jẹ́ ìdojúkọ tí mo ń là kọjá. Àkọ́kọ́ nínú rẹ̀ ni wípé tí mo bá fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan bóyá mo nílò nǹkan kan lọ́wọ́ àwọn tó rìnà. Tí n bá béèrè rẹ̀ mi kì í rí gbà lásìkò. Tí n bá fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan fún lára tí má ìrànlọ́wọ́ àwọn tó rìnà wọn kì í ṣe fún mi látàrí ipò tí mo wà. Ó jẹ́ àwọn ìdojúkọ tó pọ̀ tó jẹ́ ìdojúkọ tó kàn tí mo dojúkọ.
Ó túmọ̀ sí pé ẹ rí nǹkan kan rárá àbí bóyá
mi ò rí nǹkan kan rárá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Ọ̀nà wo lẹ wá rò pé a ti lè ràn yín lọ́wọ́?
Ọ̀nà tí ẹ ti lè gbà ràn mí lọ́wọ́ ni pé mo mọ̀ nípa bí a ṣe ń ọpẹ́rẹ́tì ẹ̀rọ kọ̀m̀pútà. Mo sì kọ́ iṣẹ́ ọwọ́, mo kọ́ àwọn iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ tí mo lè máa fi jẹun.
Àwọn iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ bíi
bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe kírìmù ìpara, bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe ọṣẹ liquid soap olómi àti onígbẹrẹfu, bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe perfume tá máa ń fi sí ara, bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe air freshener tó máa ń fi sínú ilé, bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe cream Vaseline ear cream tá máa fi pa irun àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Àwọn iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ tí mo kọ́.
So tẹ́ bá rí èèyàn ràn yín lọ́wọ́ lórí àwọn iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ yìí báyìí ẹ máa lè ṣe é.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Then ìgbà tí ẹ ń bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa laptop kan pé ẹ lè operate ẹ pẹ̀lú nípò tẹ́ wà yìí báyìí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Báwo lẹ ṣe wá máa operate ẹ?
Laptop tí àwọn tó rìnà tó ní ojú ń lò òun làwa tá ò lójú náà ń lò. Ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan kan táwa ó gbà sí ni pé tí wọ́n bá ti rà á fún ta bá ti ní, a ó gba kinní kan tó ń pè ní JAWS sórí laptop yẹn. Tá bá ti gba JAWS yẹn sórí laptop yẹn, òun ló máa sọ̀rọ̀ fún wa, òun ló máa direct wa. Tá bá tẹ̀ nǹkan òun ló máa sọ fún wa pé nǹkan tá tẹ̀ yìí right, tó bá wrong ó máa sọ fún wa pé wrong. So báwa ṣe lè lo laptop wa nìyẹn.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mà, ṣé àwọn bàbá àti àwọn dádì àti mọ́mì nǹkan ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì wà?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bàbá àti ìyá mi wà.
Kí làwọn kankan tán ti ṣe ní ipò tẹ́ wà yìí, àwọn ọ̀nà wo àti àwọn kan wọn náà ti ṣe fi ràn yín lọ́wọ́ náà?
Wọ́n rán mi lọ sí ilé ìwé. Mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ ilé ìwé akọ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní Ìlọrin primary school. Wọ́n sì tọ́ mi parí. Mo padà lọ sí ilé ìwé secondary school. Wọ́n tọ́ mi parí, mo yege ń bẹ̀. Wọ́n sì tún tọ́ mi ní ilé ìwé Adéyẹmí College of Education ní Ondo City.
Ó dáa, kò sí wàhálà, ẹ bá wa dárúkọ yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí mà.
Orúkọ tèmi ni Olúwabùkọ́lá Afáriogun.
So tó bá ṣe jẹ́ a máa kàn sí.
Yes,
ẹ ṣé mà, ẹ̀yin lẹ ṣé.
Without delay, we sent some foodstuff over with a sum of 10,000 Naira cash. Let's watch her appreciation video as well.
Orúkọ mi ni Olúwabùkọ́lá Afáriogun.
Olúwabùkọ́lá Afáriogun.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Iléeṣẹ́ yẹn ló wá ní ká gbé àwọn oúnjẹ yìí, iléeṣẹ́ Ayọ̀jẹ́ yẹn ló ní ká gbé àwọn oúnjẹ yìí fún yín. Ẹ bá a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí i.
Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ iléeṣẹ́ Ayọ̀jẹ́ pé lórúkọ Jésù òkè lọ́wọ́ yóò mọ̀ lọ ọwọ́ yóò ní lọ́sàlẹ̀ o, iléeṣẹ́ yóò sì ní jóná o, ẹni tí ó gbẹ̀yìn náà dìde Ọlọ́run á rán sí i o. Ẹ ṣé gan ni.
Owó yẹn owó tán ní ká fún yín nìyẹn 10,000 Naira ló wà níbẹ̀.
Wọ́n ṣeun o, ọwọ́ wọn mọ̀ ọ́n.
Ẹ̀yẹ kan bá yín kà kán lè mọ̀ pé ó pé dáadáa.
Ó ń ṣàwọn mọ́mì káyọ̀dé ni. Mọ́mì ṣé bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́rọ́ yín nípa?
Ó pé.
Ẹ ṣé gan ni, mo kí iléeṣẹ́ yín lórúkọ Jésù, iléeṣẹ́ yín ò ní jóná o, òkè náà mọ̀ lọ o. Aláàánú kan tí ó ra àwọn náà lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run á rán dìde sí i. Wọ́n ṣe gan ni.
Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀ mà. Tó bá ṣe jẹ́ a ó tún máa kàn sí yín.
Ẹ ṣé mà.
My people, I want you to take a good look at that sister again. What do you see? You may see disability, but I see potential, perseverance, hard work, determination, and the struggle to achieve something in life. You see, in this world, people are born in different ways. Some people are born healthy, while some are born unhealthy. I want you to know that being physically challenged or disabled does not mean you are unable to do something to achieve your own desires, objectives, dreams, and goals in life. Instead, just accept yourself as the Creator has created you. Be proud of who you are. Have faith, courage, patience, and self-motivation to face any obstacles or challenges that life may throw at you. It may be incredibly difficult to accept your disability. Acceptance may feel like you are giving in, but I tell you, refusing to accept the reality of your limitation can keep you stuck forever. It will either prevent you from moving forward in life or prevent you from making the necessary changes in life. Before you accept disability, first, you need to grieve. We all know you have suffered a great loss, not just the loss of your health, but the loss of your plans for the future. Don't try to ignore or suppress your feeling. It is only human that you want to avoid or push your pain away. But just like you won't get over a bruise just by ignoring it, you can't walk through grief without allowing yourself to feel it. Allow yourself to experience your feeling without being judgmental. You may run through a lot of emotion, from anger to sadness, then to disbelief, but I tell you, it gets better. Just like how life is full of up and down, with time, your lows will become less stressful and you will begin to find your new self again. Also, you don't have to put on a smiley face or make an happy face all the time. Having a bad day does not mean you are not brave or strong. And pretending you are okay when you are not does not help you, your friends, or family. Try and let the people you trust in on how you feel, because sharing your feelings to them give room for solution. Don't dwell on what you can no longer do. Spending a lot of time thinking about your disability or problem can lead to depression. The best thing is to mourn your losses, dust it off, and move on. Also, learn as much as possible about your disability. Try and understand what you are facing. What are your diagnoses? What are the common complications and how you can have improved? Knowing what is going on with your body and what you expect will prepare you to adjust more quickly. To tell you the truth, I have been in your shoes and I am still in it. So many people thought I won't be useful for myself, take less of being useful for my family or society. I was made fun of, ridiculed, and embarrassed by the some people I call my friends and some families. But I took a stand. I did not allow society's stigmatization to pull me down. I fought and I triumphed. I encouraged myself when all hope was lost. Every day, every night, I say to myself, Ayotunde Ojo, you will be great in life. You are created for a purpose, and this purpose will come into reality if you believe. I have a dream, and I tell you, I work towards it. I pray every morning and night for God to change my story from this ridicule girl in the street. Every morning, I will dress up and make myself happy. During that time, I do not think about my sickness at all. I believe it was there for a purpose. Mind you, that purpose I did not know, but I had a positive mindset. I did not allow my community view of my disability to limit my ability. I believe I can make it, and here I am. Although I'm still a work in process. If you are hearing my experience today and you are in similar situation, I want to tell you, don't lose hope. Persevere. Be your own advocate. Take advantage of the things you can do rather than on things you can't do. Believe in yourself and set realistic goals. Develop new hobbies and activities that can make you happy. Volunteer within your community to make yourself more productive. Find ways to give back to those who have helped you. Don't ever compare yourself to others. Remember that as human beings, we are all blessed with talents that can be useful in different areas to make the world a better place. My friend, don't let your disability limit your ability. Being disabled or physically challenged does not mean you are unable to do anything to achieve your goal in life. It is not easy, I know, but those who keep up as early risers shall reap the fruits of their labor. Keep your dreams alive. Understand the fact that to achieve anything in life, you need faith, vision, hard work, dedication, and self-belief, because all these things are possible for those who believe. Thanks. So on the last week video, we had 4 winners on Ayogen League Facebook Live. Their names are Tosin Pensu, Mustapha Feranmi, Accolades, and Omotosho Wale. We have transferred the money to them as usual. Please and please, when you comment on the YouTube video, make sure you go back and check if you win the 5,000 Naira Facebook Live rolling we do every Saturday, 9 p.m. Nigeria time and 1 p.m. California time. Also, we are having a talent show competition which has already started already. Whether you are good at singing, dancing, jingle, comedy, dramas, and so on, just showcase your talent. You have to do a 4 minutes, not less than 4 minutes, and not more than 5 minutes video. You have from now till October 15 to send in your video. We will not receive any video beyond that submission date. The winners will be announced on Saturday, October 31st, 2020, 9 p.m. Nigeria time. The first winner will win a sum of 50,000 Naira. The second winner will win a sum of 30,000 Naira, while the third winner will win 20,000 Naira. If you are interested, please message me on either Facebook Messenger or Instagram. To our supporters, I say thank you for your continuous support. To those who want to join us in taking action to reduce hunger in Nigeria, you can do so by donating just a tiny little bit to Ayogen League's GoFundMe account. The link is also on Ayogen League Facebook and Instagram. Please and please donate sparingly and tell your friends and family about this program. I believe together the world will be a better place. Until then, have a wonderful week ahead. Don't forget to smash the like button, click the bell icon for notification, comment, and subscribe. See you next Saturday, 9 p.m. Nigeria time live. But again, please make sure you subscribe, comment, and like the video to be able to participate in our giveaway. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.